You've probably heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. While no food guarantees overall good health, apples are showing some promise in helping us in many ways. For example, apples are rich in soluble fiber, and that could lower your blood cholesterol. Apples also can help with blood glucose management among those who have diabetes. Apples have also shown some ability to help with lung function. And they're rich in antioxidants, so they might even help prevent cancer. A medium apple, about 3 inches in diameter, has just 100 calories, plus vitamins, minerals, and a satisfying crunch. They're easy to pack in a lunch, take on a hike, or slice up for an afternoon snack. And the variety is incredible, from sweet and crisp Honeycrisp apples to tart Granny Smiths. There's one for almost every taste and recipe. Try them baked with a little cinnamon, dried for a chewy snack, or cooked down into applesauce. You can even slice them into salads for a touch of natural sweetness. When you take a bite of a fresh, crisp apple, you're enjoying a fruit that's been valued for centuries for its health benefits and taste. I'm Dr. Julie, bringing the feel to your fork. Until next time,